Let's all count, come on, let's go. We'll learn the numbers nice and slow. Clap your hands and start with 1. Counting up is so much fun. 2, 3, 4, give me more. Jump up high, then touch the floor. 5, 6, pick up sticks. Wiggle your fingers, do some tricks. Count with me, it's easy to do. Numbers are fun for me and you. 7, 8, feeling great. We're almost done, isn't this great? 9 is fine, we're almost there. Spin around and wave your hair. Now comes 10, say it loud, shout it out, and feel so proud.